Hi,
That was fun.
and welcome
Good.
to Don't Worry I'm Finite, which today I felt how I'm finite.
Let's get a high five.
Why I gave you this idea? Why?
Well, you can't blame me for this one. This is Urubu. You get a great view over Lagoa, and apparently on weekends they do rappelling from here. So I think we're gonna get down that way. Feeling good?
Let's rappel!
I'm gonna keep this. I thought this was supposed to be the easier way down.
Well, the gravity, and as we say in Brazil, all these things help, you know?
Yeah, they'll help you one way or the other.
Yeah, but my heart's already feeling that I am not in a safe bet. Why I gave this idea? Why?
Well, you can't blame me for this one.
Okay, I'll let that
Bye.
See you.
All right, so Maya needed a little help, so she got some help on her way down there, but she's around the bend now, and I think she should be at the bottom, so almost my turn. Oh, hello! Woo. That part's a little weird. There we go. That's more like it. Woo! That was great. Woo. Woo. That was awesome. What did you think? Let's look back up there. That was so much fun. I feel like I came down really fast. I didn't expect it to be like right there when I got around the corner. That was great. I can see why the glove's broken though, because my glove got up in there once. That was super fun though. Glad we did this. Obrigado.
Hi,
That was fun.
and welcome
Good.
to Don't Worry I'm Finite, which today I felt how I'm finite.
Let's get a high five. All right. I just came from up there. That was super fun, and a random, unexpected trip down the mountain. That was the easy way. So thanks for watching and subscribing. See you guys in the next video.